We're now going to work with parabolas whose vertex is not the origin. Consider the parabola whose vertex is 2, -3 and whose focus is 2, -5. To help us get an understanding of what's going on, again, I think it's helpful to draw a rough sketch where the vertex and focus are going to be located. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So our vertex is here at 2, -3, and our focus is here at 2, -5. Therefore, the parabola is going to be one that opens down like that. So the equation of the parabola is going to be of the form x minus h quantity squared equals -4a times y minus k, where h is the x-coordinate of the vertex and k is the y-coordinate of the vertex. A represents the distance from the vertex to the focus. So we have x minus 2 quantity squared, because the x-coordinate of the vertex is 2, equals -4 times a is going to be 2, because it's 2 units from the vertex to the focus, times y minus a -3, because the y-coordinate of the vertex is -3. So we get x minus 2 quantity squared equals -8 times y plus 3. Now what we want to do is obtain the graph of this parabola. To obtain the graph of the parabola, we want to find our lattice rectum points. Our lattice rectum points are going to be to the left and to the right of the focus. So we're going to let y be equal to -5 in our equation. That gives us x minus 2 quantity squared equals -8 times -5 plus 3. So x minus 2 quantity squared equals 16. So we have an equation in which we can use the square root property to solve. I square root both sides. I get x minus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 16. So x minus 2 equals -4, or x minus 2 equals +4. So x equals -2, or x equals 6. So my lattice rectum points are -2, -5, and 6, -5 rather. I plot these points in the Cartesian plane to help me determine the opening of the graph of the parabola. So I plot my vertex at 2, -3, plot my focus at 2, -5, then I have lattice rectum points at -2, -5, and at 6, -5. There's the graph of the parabola. And by the way, the directrix is y equals -1. It's the equation of a horizontal line, a equals 2 units above the vertex. Because the y-coordinate of my vertex is -3, I get that y equals -1 is the equation of the directrix.